everyone, welcome back to the All About Website series. And today we're going to talk about copywriting. Now, copy, that is the text on your website, as you know, is one of the most important parts of your website. And yet, that's also one of the parts that a lot of people struggle with. What to write, how to write it. You should tell it in a story, but how do you do that? Should you talk about this or that or blah, blah, blah? There are so many questions and not enough answers. So today I'm going to share with you a very, very, very simple formula. Hey, I'm all about making everything simple. So I'm going to share with you a very, very simple formula that I use for our copywriting clients and our website clients, and even to write copy for Facebook ads, posts, etc., and things like that. So I call it the A to Z formula, and it's very, very simple. Whatever piece of copy you're writing, keep in mind who you're writing it for and what's the end goal that they want to achieve. Okay, so we start off with point A, which is where they are at right now. What are they struggling with? What are they feeling? What are the symptoms they're experiencing? What are they searching for on Google? Okay, what are the answers that they are seeking? That is their point A, where they are at right now. Their symptoms, their feelings, their questions. That's point A. Point Z is the end goal, the end results that they want, the dream solution that they're looking on, the dream that they're trying to achieve. Okay, their hopes, desires, dreams, hopes, and desires, the end goal, the end result that you are going to help them achieve. Now, all of this has your A, your Z, has to be in the context of the business or the service that you provide, right? If you are into life coaching and their end goal is to buy a house, that doesn't quite match. Yes, you can coach them through the life stuff part of it, but you're not a real estate agent. So when you map out their A to Z journey, keep that in mind. It's in relation to your business, in relation to the service that you provide, and write it down from their perspective. What are the words that they use? Because as an expert, as someone who's kind of been through that journey, or you have helped other people through that journey, you are looking at it from a different perspective. You're looking at it from up here, whereas they are still at the start of that journey. They're looking at it from down here. So you have to be careful and talk about it from their perspective, using the kind of words that they do, not using the kind of words that you're accustomed to being at the expert level. The best example for this is tech talk. How many of you enjoy tech talk? How many of you understand tech jargon? When you walk into an electronic store, or you go to your computer guy to fix something on the computer, and they start talking about, oh, the DRAM is like this, and oh, the CPU doesn't work that way, or the megahertz is too low, or what do you feel when they start using all of those tech terms? You feel lost, you feel confused, you wish they would explain it to you in plain English. It's the same thing with your audience. It's the same thing with the people who come to your website. You have to explain it to them in words that they understand, and best in the kind of words that they use. Okay, so the formula is you map out their A, their starting point, what they're experiencing, what they're feeling, what they're struggling with, their symptoms. You write down Z, which is their end goal, the end results, their dreams, their hopes, their desires, what they want. And the third thing, you write down how and why are you the best person to help them from A to Z. First thing to do is just take a plain piece of paper or a Word or Google document and write down 10 points for each of these. Their point A, their point Z, and 10 points for why you are the best person to get them from A to Z. Okay. And after you've done that, once you've done that, that is the basis for all of your copy. Now you can go over to your home page and write out your homepage copy in the same manner. Write down 3 or 4 sentences about point A, write down 3 or 4 sentences about point Z, and then go and write down 3 or 4 lines or sentences about why and how are you the best person to get them there. See, simple formula to write out your homepage copy. And then you can figure out how you want to put that copy into a certain layout onto your page. Okay. Same thing. Now the same rule applies for your about page copy, except that on your about page copy, you will weave it into a story format. And instead of just 3 or 4 lines about each of these 3 points, you will write 1 or 2 paragraphs about each of them. Or you will write 1 paragraph about each of these 3 and then repeat those 3 pointers with another story or another of those 10 points that you wrote. So it's the same concept on your homepage, the same structure on your about page, but in more detail and in story format. And then on your work with me or services page, again, you will have those 3 things, but you will have at the start of your work with me page, just 1 line about what they're experiencing, a very catchy, punchy sentence about what they're experiencing, their A. Then a sentence or 2 about their end goal or results, that's their point C, and 1 or 2 sentences about how and why are you the best person to help them. So a total of 3 or 4 sentences at the top of your work with me page, and then you will lead in to your actual packages or services. Okay. So do you see how this simple rule, the A to Z formula, helps you write out the copy for your homepage, your about page, your work with me page? And really, well, your praise page is, of course, all those testimonials. Your blog page is blog posts. So that's really all the copy you need for your website. Simple formula, right? And if you would like to go take it to the next level and actually see how to translate all of this onto an actual website, come check out the website bootcamp. This is a very intimate group program, and in the next live round that starts on the 12th of November, I'm taking in a group of just 20 women to help walk you through creating your entire website. Week 1, we start with looking at your branding and your copy. I show you how to DIY your own brand and get gorgeous selfies instead of professional looking photos, and how to create graphics. So week 1, we cover your branding and your copy. We dive deeper into the A to Z formula and explore the nuances. You write out your copy, I review all of it and give you personalized feedback. Week 2 and 3, I show you how to take this copy and create a page with it. I install a website in a box for you, and I show you how to personalize it, how to take the copy, go and edit the page, put it in the graphics, put in the copy for your homepage, your about page, your work with me page, and all of the pages in week 2 and 3. And in week 4, I show you how to polish it all up, how to integrate it with all the other services like your email marketing service, like your payment gateway, like your booking system. I show you how to integrate all of that and make sure it's mobile responsive. So over 4 weeks, we put together your entire website. Now the doors are now open for the website bootcamp 4.0, and we have a very special offer running for the early bird price. You can save $100 if you sign up before 2nd of November. That's if you sign up on the early bird price, save $100 before 2nd of November. Okay, if you have any questions, I've shared the link above. If you have any questions about the website bootcamp or the A to Z formula for writing out all of your copy, feel free to post it in the comments below. And till next time, till the next in the All About Website series, keep shining. Bye-bye.